Pay attention, we have a project at the Good Shepherd School. Pay attention, we are building 4 new classrooms on land that we've been miraculously able to buy recently. Pay attention, this is not about bricks and mortar, it's about generational change and changing the trajectory of a nation. Are you listening there at the back? Look at me, listen to what I have to say. Hello everyone, David here. Welcome to this week's update from the Good Shepherd School in Gujranwala, Pakistan. As many of you know, I am a patron of the school there. We do in fact have a building project that's been going for a few weeks now. We were miraculously able to purchase some extra land to build 4 new classrooms, and the project is ongoing. But as I said, this is not really about bricks and mortar and cement and steel. This is about generational change. This is about creating a future for the boys and girls of the Christian minority in Pakistan. Anyone that knows anything about Christianity in Pakistan, you will know that Christians there are in a very precarious position. Many of them live at the poverty line, some very much under the poverty line, and education is the only key to raising millions of children, boys and girls, young people out of poverty, to make a difference not only in their own lives but in the difference of the nation of Pakistan. We can affect the trajectory of this nation through what we are doing, what we're trying to achieve here. Yes, girls' education is very important too. Girls in particular can be vulnerable to exploitation and abuse by the wider general population in this country, and giving them an education kind of deters that a bit. It gives girls economic power to choose their own direction in life. So yeah, this is part of what we're doing. We're also looking at those that have fallen through the cracks education wise, and we have a sewing school for girls, teenage girls, young girls who have somehow lost out in education, and we're giving them a future and a hope too. So this is what the Good Shepherd School is all about. We have been going 11 years. The sewing school itself has been going longer, and we celebrate our anniversary this month. So we thank God for everything we've been able to achieve so far. But we do need your help. Before I tell you how you can help, let me show you where we are up onto the project since the last video. So once again, we'll start with what we hope the finished building will look like. So what I want to do in this, I just want to show you what's happening, and the song that's playing in the background is a beautiful praise song in Hindi and Urdu, and I'm going to just read the words in English. You are holy, you are exalted. Before you every heart will bow. May my love for you never change. All your promises are faithful and true. Every day my heart bows down in your holy presence, Lord. For you are merciful and kind. Your love endures forever. You are the Alpha, you are the Omega, the beginning and the end. You are my all, you are enough, the very meaning of my life. Let every nation praise your name. Let every soul call upon you. Let every tongue confess your greatness. Let every heart sing praises to you. It's a beautiful song of praise, a real call upon the Lord, a really call to him, a call of adoration, a song of adoration to him. And this is really what we're about. We must not forget, in the middle of the bricks and the mortar and the concrete, that this is all about a holy God a God who loves his people, who has called us to assist his people in every way that we can. And we thank God that we are able to serve him in Pakistan in this way. And may he increase the work of our hands, may he increase the depths of our pockets, and may he just increase his glory in Pakistan. Praise the Lord. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. As you can see, things are coming along very well. We are thankful for everything we've been able to achieve up to now. The building, the shell of the building in particular, is coming on nicely. We're almost at the point where it's waterproof and weatherproof, and because the rainy season is due any moment upon us, and we need to get the roof finished. As you can see, it's almost finished, so we thank God for that. But how can you help? Well, yes, if you're still with me, thank you for your interest. We do need your prayers. We are doing this for the glory of God. It's essentially spiritual work that we're doing. We are teaching and empowering the Christian youth, Christian young people of the nation of Pakistan for the future. And that can only be a good thing, but it is fraught with difficulties, fraught with problems. So we do need your prayers. We need you to stand with us. And in particular for this project, we need you to stand with us financially. We need your money. There, I've said it. We need your money. So if you can give, please do contact me. I will leave my email at the end of the video. If you can't give, that's fine. Don't worry. But please, if you can, then do so. And if you know anyone else that might be able to give and help us out with this, this is, as I say, a generational project that it's not just about bricks and mortar. There's a spiritual dimension to this, and almost a once in a lifetime opportunity, really, to change the life of so many young people, and even to change the trajectory of a nation by the grace of God and in the power of the gospel. So yeah, thank you. And this is the end of the update. And yeah, let's all be pioneers. Let's pioneer the work of God. Let's go boldly in the words of Star Trek. Let's go boldly when no one's gone before. Let's make a change. Let's make a difference. God bless you all.